Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USN Mix YouTube channel. Today's topic is Motorola One Action smartphone specification and price. First go to our website usnmix.com. Here is one report about Motorola One Action smartphone specification and price. So this is the report. But before going to the full report, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you do not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay, friends, let's start. First, go to the full report of this Motorola One Action smartphone specification and price. USN Mix report. Motorola One Action launched. This smartphone is launched. Know its feature and competitor. The smartphone has full HD display 6.3, whose aspect ratio is body to screen ratio is 21:9. It has been given the name of Cinema Vision. A punch hole selfie camera has been given, which is in the left top corner. American smartphone maker Motorola launched Motorola One Action in the Indian market. The starting price of this smartphone is 13,999. Its first sale will be on Flipkart on August 30 at 12 noon. Let's know about the features of this smartphone. Motorola One Action specification. This smartphone has full HD display of 6.3 and whose body to screen ratio is 21:9. It has been given the name of Cinema Vision. A punch hole selfie camera has been given, which is in the left top corner. And this smartphone works on Samsung's Exynos 9609 processor. Its only variant has been launched in India, whose RAM is 4 GB and internal memory is 128 GB. Triple rear camera setup has been given. The primary sensor is of 12 megapixel. There is a 5 megapixel depth camera. The third ultra wide angle camera is mainly given for video shooting. The selfie camera is about 12 megapixel. Its battery is 3500 megahertz. As mentioned, the price of this smartphone is 13,999. In this range, Xiaomi has launched MI, Samsung Galaxy M30 and Realme 5 Pro smartphones. All the smartphones are priced at rupees 13,999, means 14,000. Approx 14,000. So 1 rupees less than 14,000. 13,999 rupees. All these phones are available in the Indian market. Therefore, attracting customers to Motorola is not easy. Customers have many options. So customers may choose Xiaomi, MI, Redmi, and Samsung Galaxy or Realme 5 Pro smartphones. All these options are available to purchase this within this price, within this budget, 13,999 rupees. So all the phones are available, but the main Motorola One Action specification is it is full HD display, 6.3 inches display screen, whose aspect ratio is 21:9. And it is Cinema Vision, so its display is very good and is a punch hole camera which has been given, which is left top corner. This smartphone works Samsung Exynos 9609 processor. It has been launched in India. RAM is 4 GB and internal storage is ROM is 128 GB. And we are at a 12 megapixel camera setup also there. There is a 5 megapixel depth camera. And third ultra wide angle camera is mainly given for video shooting. So camera features is also very good. This selfie camera is 12 megapixel. The battery is 3500 megahertz. So this is the main specification, but its price is 13,999 and all the other phone also the same features are available like MI, Redmi, Realme 5, Samsung's M30, all these phones, smartphones, also this the price of 13,999. So within this price, Motorola One X smartphone is also the price. The price is the same. So the customers can have many options to choose all of these phones. But Motorola One X have good specification, and it is very good phone for use. And this is the all these about the features specification of Motorola One X smartphone, and about the price. And that's it about our report. And thanks for watching the video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share and subscribe of our USN Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.